Do you want to learn how to use GlobalGPT? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. I'm seeing this trending a lot on X, so I thought, why not try it out? So I decided to upgrade to a paid plan and check out the tool, because with the free plan, I'm not able to do a lot with it. So I'm going to go for Explore, and here you can see that these are all the popular tools and they have a lot of tools inside it. So it's basically an all-in-one AI tool. So if I go to my tools, I can see all these tools here. In my tools, you can see that I've applied for all these tools, and I'm going to show you how to apply for these tools. So here you can add more tools. Just add these tools by clicking on these checkboxes. And once you're satisfied with it, just click on add, and it's going to be added successfully to your My Tools page. Then you can scroll left or right to check it out. Now, for example, I'm going to try the Luma feature inside it. So you can add a prompt here. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT for this. So here in ChatGPT, I asked it to generate me an AI video prompt for Kid's Story, and it generated me a prompt here, which is basically a story here. And I asked it, now help me with the prompt for the first scene. So it again gave me a big prompt. So I said, make it a short prompt. Now copy this and head back to GlobalGPT. And inside here, input the prompt by right click and paste. There's optimized prompt, so we're going to click it, and resolution, I'm going to make it 16:9. And let's see what it generates. Click on generate here. And there you go. It has created a video here. Let's take a look at it. Now if you want to download this video to your computer, just click on these three dots and download it to your computer. On the top right, you're going to find new chat. You can start up a new chat from here. You can click on chat history to check your old chat history with GlobalGPT. Now, this is the only AI video generator that is currently available inside GlobalGPT. They don't have any other AI tools like Kling or Hyper, etc. They only have Luma AI at the moment. Like it shows here, Luma AI. For image, they have a lot of these tools like Flux, Ideogram, and Midjourney. And for chat, they have all these tools as well. Grok is currently available for free on their own website, X. So it's not that lucrative compared to if you're using it for GPT-4o or Flux or Midjourney, etc. Now, if I click on recommended on the left, you'll find these tool sets. So these are all the tool sets. This is what I was talking about before. You can apply for these tool sets. For example, I can just click here for student, and it's going to apply all these tools in my tools page. Now for this video, I'm going to try Midjourney next. So on Midjourney, I'm going to type a prompt here. I'm going to go for ChatGPT again and ask it to make a new prompt for me. Instead of going over here, why not I go to GlobalGPT, and inside here I go for ChatGPT 4o and I ask it in the message. So I asked it, give me a prompt for an AI image and make a random prompt. Okay, that was fast, and let's copy this, go to Midjourney and paste the prompt here. You can also shorten it from here or image to text. Now choose the image ratio. I'm going to make it 16:9 for this video. Style, you can select the style here. I'm going to go for realism. View, it could be, let's go for wide view. In character short, I don't think there is any character in it. So we can also remove this from here. We don't need it. For lighting, sunlight, hard lighting, warm light, as you like. So I'm going to make it sunlight for this one. Image quality, we can make it ultra HD. Artistic level, I'm going to not use artistic level here because we want to go for realism. Model version, this is the current version that is inside GlobalGPT, which is Midjourney version 6. And there's also this, which I'm not sure what it is. There's a reference image that you can put. This is also a reference, I think. Click on generate. Let's see what it generates in Midjourney with GlobalGPT. This is what it generated with that prompt in Midjourney. It's up to you to decide if this is actually Midjourney or not. Now I'm going to go for Ideogram next, and I'm going to type a prompt here. And I've typed in here, generate a logo for reply run. This is one of my YouTube channels. You can generate a logo with Ideogram. But I found that in Ideogram itself, the website, you are not able to generate logos most of the time because of, like you see here, in real time, it has given us this information on top that slow queue is currently full and you're not able to generate it in the free version. And that's why let's see if GlobalGPT is able to generate a logo even when in Ideogram the queue is currently full. Let's click on design, resolution, make it 16:9, and click on generate. Okay, so these are the generations that Ideogram has created inside GlobalGPT. For example, I've created these 5 logos inside this, and I can click on each of them like this, and I can save it to my computer. Some of them are really good, like this one, or this, or this, or this. This one was not that good. It doesn't look good. It looks like some weird drawing, which I do not like. Now next, I'm going to go for Flux. Now let's see how good the Flux AI generator works inside GlobalGPT. For the prompt, I'm going to go for ChatGPT 4o again. And inside here, I'm going to ask it for a prompt. Now for this time, I'm going to ask ChatGPT 4o to give me a prompt for a realistic girl image. And it has generated us this prompt here. I'm going to copy it, go back to Flux. I'm going to click on Optimize Prompt to see how good this works. Click on Resolution 16:9, and these are the models inside it for Flux. This is the Pro 1.1. This is the latest one they have. I'm going to click on Generate Next. Okay, that was very fast, and let's take a look at the generation. And now this is up to you to decide if the generation was good or not. But in my honest opinion, I think this looks quite good. There was ChatGPT 4o, and you can also use Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And there you go. I asked it to create a travel guide, and it has created it here. Now I asked it, are you better or ChatGPT 4o? And it said, I'm Claude 3.5 Sonnet, an AI created by Anthropic. So this proves the point that they are actually using that version 3.5 instead of like not deceiving us in that way. So they are actually using 3.5 Sonnet here. And if I go to ChatGPT 4, I can click here in any of these example prompts. For example, this one, help me check the latest global economic trends. Here are some key insights into the latest global economic trends. And you can also check citations here. It's not exactly like how you see on ChatGPT. You see it on like the left side. Instead, it's giving us this here. Now, I'm not sure if this is actually searching the web or not. This information is of 25th September, so it looks like it's searching the web, but still, I'm not sure about it because there's no feature inside this GlobalGPT to search the web. Like there's no option here to search web that way. You can anyway ask it to search web. Now in ChatGPT 4o, I asked it to search web and give me news. And it seems like it's searching the web here. So maybe it is working. The search feature is working inside GlobalGPT. So it said that optimize keywords for search. And now I will perform the search. Please wait a moment. Let's see what it generates. It was too long, so I decided to just type in another keyword here, latest news updates. And it just gave me this information, which is there was an issue retrieving the latest news updates. And that is kind of weird because it's not like the ChatGPT is currently under update or something, but here it's not able to retrieve the latest news updates. So I decided to ask it again, and it again said the same thing. Maybe it's because of this ChatGPT 4o. Instead, I would go for ChatGPT and I'll ask it here, search current news trends. It again said the same thing. Currently, I'm unable to fetch the latest news due to technical limitations. And the information is available up to October 2023. Now, I'm not sure if this is a fault of ChatGPT inside GlobalGPT or it's a fault of GlobalGPT. I'm just showing you what it is inside it. Now, I want to try out one more thing, which is Gemini 1.5 Pro. Now, I want to see if Gemini 1.5 Pro inside GlobalGPT is able to generate an image. For example, I'm going to say, generate image of a mountain lion. Let's see if it generates an image. So the thing that I was expecting it didn't do, it just gave us this other stock footage websites. I'm not sure why it's doing it like this. Is it even 1.5 Pro or not? Because if I go to the main website, which is gemini.google.com, inside it, if I ask it to generate an image of mountain lion, it has generated it with the image Gen 3. So it should do the same thing inside here as well, which currently it's not doing. So it's up to you to decide. And if I click on add tools, You can see all these popular tools, and there's image tools, search tools, code, there's for work, and all the other tools as well. So you can stop anywhere you want and check out what tools they have. And the same thing you can do in Explorer as well. You can check out all these tools here. Scroll down and you're going to find a lot of these tools that we were seeing in the recommended tab. And you can add them by clicking a button. Now in the end, there's history on the left side. You can click here and check out the history. So whatever you have generated till now, click on it and scroll between your previously generated stuff. For example, I can click on ChatGPT 4.0 or Gemini, and I can see what I have generated before. Now, I have unsubscribed from the plan to show you what plans they have currently, but my plan will stay active for the week that I've subscribed in. This one is what I got. You can also subscribe to monthly plan or annual plan, which is only $7 per month, which is you're saving at least 45%. So you can do that. In view plan, you can see all the plan details. There's also a top-up feature, so you can click here and it basically credits. You can pay with these payment gateways that you see here, or you can pay with crypto as well. You can also change the language of this website by clicking on this on the bottom left, like this. There's also an iOS app that they have currently. So if you have an Apple iOS phone, an iPhone, you can download it from here. It's going to take us over to this page where it says ChatPal AI chatbot assistant, which is kind of fishy compared to, because this one is GlobalGPT. This one is ChatPal AI. But yeah, this is basically the app that they redirect us to if I click here. And if you ask my honest opinion, I would say I just decided to try out this tool because it was trending on X here. It was trending a lot. Like I'm seeing every day it's trending. To be really honest, if you really want to use it, I would suggest going for weekly plan and try it out. If you really think that this will help you a lot compared to paying for all of these other tools. So instead of paying for all those tools, you can just pay like $3.9 for a week and try out the plan. If you really like it, you can upgrade to the annual plan. That's up to you. That's what I would suggest you to try. First, do a bi-weekly and then go for annual if you really like it. I think it's good for these tools here, Midjourney, Luma, basically the Flux feature inside it, and the Ideogram. And you can generate approximately 100 images per 4 weeks and approx 100 searches. This searches is because if you're using Perplexity, this is per 4 weeks, 1,000 searches. There's a link in the description. You can click on it and get to this page. And if you do decide to get any of these plans, I may get a small commission. There's also 50% off currently, so you can take advantage of that as well. Now, what do you think? Is this tool something that you're interested in trying out? Let me know in the comments. And that's it. This is how to use GlobalGPT. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.